So we are meeting very first time, no sir. So please give me some introduction, just like your village name and just like your city name and just like your block name and your district name, so that I can know more about you. And after that, I will also give introduction in front of you.
Okay, why not? Sure. So, thank you so much for this opportunity to introduce myself. So, as you know, my name is Dinesh Yadav. I'm connecting to you from Mirzapur city, which is located in Uttar Pradesh. Uh, I'm job holder. Now I'm not doing a job. Earlier I worked in Mumbai, and nowadays I live in my city, where no, I'm looking for job, and I'm a YouTuber where I upload conversation video. I'm teacher. I take online class regarding spoken English. Yeah, that's all about me. Thank you so much again. And now I would like to know something about yourself. So please introduce yourself.
Yes, yes, of course, of course. Why not? I will give introduction in front of you, sir. So this is Rajiv Kumar, and I am connecting from Bihar. I am a farmer, and I'm also a tuition teacher. This is my short introduction. So while delivering your introduction in front of me, you were telling that you are a teacher and you are from Mirzapur, Uttar Pradesh, and you earlier you was doing job, and nowadays you are looking for a job, and you are also doing online classes related to the content conversation English, and you are just teaching online also. So you are doing great job, sir.
Yeah, because earlier I lived in Mumbai, so I decided that I should move from Mumbai and I should spend some time with my family, and this is how I can um, spend my time. I can utilize my time, and in other hand, I would like to start some new business. So that is why I decided that I should go visit to my native place. And after coming back from there, I started teaching through online, because whatever I have capability regarding spoken English, I want to spread with my students. This is how they can learn this language, because there are lots of people in village area. They are facing difficulty regarding spoken English. They don't have English atmosphere. They are unknown about English value, because nowadays now English language has been a global language everywhere, in both sector, in private sector and government sector. In both sector, English is being spoken.
Yes, yes, you are rightly saying that in every field of life, no. So today, uh, English is very important. So English is become very popular nowadays, and nowadays in every packet of the commodity have been written in English language. You know very well about that.
So as you said that you are a teacher, what subject do you teach?
Yes, yes. I teach mathematics and science, but I teach class ninth student and 10th student. But I am teaching student of my village only, because in village area only the village student will come to you. The further most area people will not reach to you.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
And
Yes,
my main occupation is doing farming, sir. My main occupation is doing farming. So I can't go to the central places of the market. If I will
mhm.
go to the central places of the market, so I will have to leave my agriculture work. So I am not going to the central places of the market, and I love farming very much.
Okay, fantastic, fantastic. Now farming, is base of develop of any country. If any countries, farming is strong, so that country, can become, very developed.
Yes, yes. Means that I would like to say, and you are liking to say that if any country are developing country or developed country, or are developing country, so their agriculture sector should be strong. Means that in compare of India, if I'm a Indian people and we are Indian people, then 70% of the Indian people are depending on the agriculture work, and also the Indian farmer are just increasing the per capita income and national income also of our country,
Mhm.
and GDP also increasing
Yeah, yeah,
due to
yeah.
due to me and due to the farmer of Indian.
Yeah, you're right, you're right. So nowadays, what types of crops you are, cultivating or growing?
Yes, yes, because winter season has ended and now spring season is going on. So I am just cultivating different kind of vegetables, and the area which is very far from my home. So on that area and on that land, I am just growing wheat because it is a wheat of season. It is a season of wheat, and in spring season just it is rabi crops is growing. Okay, rabi crops is being grown over that spring season. So I am just growing rabi fasal, just like wheat, just like maize, and just like potato, tomato. This is just like sometimes gram and different kind of grams. I am just growing according
Okay,
to the
okay,
season. I am just running.
okay, fantastic, fantastic. Tell me, your location now. From where are you calling me?
Yes, yes. I am calling from Bihar. I am very close to you, and my district name is Jamui, and my block name is Jhaja, and my village name is Sar. Means that I belong to village Sar, and this village comes under Jhaja police station of Jammu district of Bihar states.
Okay, Jhajas, I have heard about Jhaja. Why Jhaja is famous? I think
Yes, yes,
something Jhaja is
yes.
famous.
Yes, yes, I am telling the story of Jhaja, but from the ancient time, Jhaja is very famous because Jhaja was having a loco of railway station. There was only loco starting
Uh,
from Mughal Sarai up to the Asansol. There is only one loco, and that was in Jhaja. So that's for reason Jhaja is very famous. But this time loco is not available. Okay,
mhm,
but
mhm.
still their remaining parts is available still in the Jhaja.
Yeah, that is why it is
So
still Jhaja
Jhaja
Mel.
is also famous.
Yeah,
Yes,
Jhaja
yes,
Mel is famous.
and also there is a second reason that half of the Jhaja is just having quarter railway quarter. If you will come to the Jhaja, so you will see that more than 200, more than not 200 quarter, more than 1,000, more than
Okay,
1,000 railway quarter are having Jhaja station. Means that
okay.
half of the Jhaja is filled with quarter, and remaining of the building is available for residential of private people.
Okay, okay, fantastic, fantastic. So, for not learning English, what do you do, sir? What do you do despite using this application? Do you use
Yeah,
something? Do you do
yes,
something?
yes. I am not using anything. I am just focusing on speaking and listening. Two things I am
Okay.
doing from starting. Because last year I was not speaking like this, but
Mhm.
I was not thinking last year that I will speak in my life English. But nowadays I am speaking because of a Skype app. I am not using any other app. Any other application except this Skype app, because I am
Okay.
very happy after joining this app, because 10 days before Durga Puja in last year 2004 I have joined this app, and I am
Okay.
I have been speaking with different kind of person like you and like other and sister and ma'am, and I have made a friend, I have made family, and I have made sister, and I have made many brother over this platform, and I am just made family, and I have learned from my family, and I loved this app very much. So I think that this is helping me a lot. So I did not have any option to go and to come out from this application. So I am
Okay.
happy with this application. I am learning, and 30% of the things I have learned, and I am speaking with you. No, so this the result is in front of you.
Yeah, you are speaking. You are speaking. There is no doubt. You are speaking fantastic.
Yes, yes. No, so I have been talking with different kind of person from last 4 months as well as possible in my life. Whenever I have time, I am getting time, evening, morning, after finishing my field work, after cutting the paddy, after planting the trees in my farmhouse. Just I am just trying to connect with different kind of person, and I have learned a lot of thing, because when I was speaking with first time, so I was having some shyness, and my I was having trouble. I was having speaking hesitation. A lot of problem was coming from inside my heart. But now I am facing. I have faced more than more than 200 people till now, starting from starting from August, not August, starting from September up to this March. More than I
Okay.
have talked with more than 500 people still now. So
Sure.
I have faced many problem. So now I don't have fear, any kind of fear talking with any person. So if anybody will come to me in front of me, so I don't fear. I will mistake, but I never care that I am doing mistake. I always give permission to my mouth to give go ahead and do mistake, because I have done many mistakes, and after doing the mistake I am learning. So I don't hesitate to do the mistake.
Yeah. No, making mistake is a part of learning. You make mistake, it means you are learning. So don't
Yes, yes,
care
yes.
about about your mistake. It is a part, and it happens with everyone. Okay, so
Yes, yes, yes.
after growing your crops, where you sell,
Okay, okay. After
after growing your crops.
yeah. Right question. Because because sometimes I have to look after my paddy and look after my crop. So I
Mhm.
rarely go to the market. Rarely, in rare case, I am going to the market. But in case of need, I go to the generally go to the market for buying just good amount of hybrid seeds for
Mhm.
buying. And for
I just
buying manure, only that time I will have to go to the market. Or rarely I don't go to the market. But sometimes I just work on my field and I am growing, because brother, that in agriculture sector a large number of work is available inside this land, just like mulching, just like cultivating, just like giving water to the paddy and giving water to the crops, just like giving poison and spray
yeah.
over the over the over the leaf of the plants in order to remove the effect of the insect.
Mhm. Yeah, any
So,
crops, is like a stair. We have to go step by step. If you go
yes,
step
yes,
by
yes,
step, then in the end, you will get now crops. You will get
yes.
result.
So, no, behind me it is a large sector uh, of the wheat plant, and this is a standing plant of wheat, and it is 50
Mhm.
inch growing. And after 1 month from now, and I will harvest this, because this will ripe after 1 month from now, and this will get dry, and this will be reached to the position of the finished product, and this is
Yeah.
unripe right now, and this is called raw material. Of
So,
course. So you can
yeah.
see behind me, this is ripe, and after 10 days from now I will harvest. But this is the
Mhm.
hybrid quality of the wheat. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
because of
Mhm.
green revolution, so some seeds are available in the market, hybrid seeds. So this is the benefit of the planting hybrid seeds of the wheat from this side, and you
Okay.
can see that this is not hybrid seeds. So this is just like
Mhm.
greenness, because
Uh,
both the both the wheat have been planted by me at the same day at the same time, but this has
yeah.
reached to the dry, and this
Okay.
has not reached to the dry because of the hybrid
Hybrid.
difficulties. Okay.
Hybrid
Yes,
qualities.
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
i
So,
am not going to
and
i
what
am
is the
not going to
difference?
sell. Yes, yes, yes.
What is the
You know
difference between price? What is the
what is
between
that?
is the difference between price hybrid and casual wheat?
Yes, yes, yes. There is many big differences between casual wheats and hybrid wheats, because if I will harvest, so it is taking only 3 months time for harvesting, and
Okay.
in compare of casual, so if the casual wheats will take more than 4 months, and it takes
Okay.
generally four
Okay.
months, and this will takes 2 months and half month, and means that 3 months will take time, and this take hybrid seeds takes less time, and casual
Okay.
wheats takes more time, and hybrid
Mhm.
will grow more and more. Okay, if the size
Okay.
of this both land is same, so
Mm.
this will grow more. Okay,
Okay.
okay, 100 kg.
If,
This will more. This will
product,
yes, yes. Uh,
mm,
this hybrid will give more grain, in
More
comparison
than,
of
yeah.
casual, and casual will give less grain. Okay, and
Great.
this color is very charming. And when I will send to the market, so their
Mm,
product and their customer will like more hybrid, and the
mm,
casual will like customer very less. And
mm,
their taste, hybrid taste is very good, but their casual taste is not so good. But still, what will do, I am also growing, because if I will go to the market for buying seeds of the wheat of hybrid category,
mm,
so in market they will give me highly cost. So because of
mm,
poverty and because of lack of money, I had to buy that. I had to just casual, I had to planted, or I had to cultivate these casual seeds. Okay,
okay.
so that is the reason.
If you had good amount of money, you would buy only hybrid breed, only hybrid seed. Because of less money, you had to purchase a casual seed. Although you wanted to purchase only hybrid breeds, but yeah, it's happened sometime due to some reason we have to change our decision. So it's life. Okay, fantastic, fantastic, sir. So do you practice every day? Do you connect with people every day on this platform?
Yes, yes, definitely. I everyday practice. So that's why I am just having hesitation. And I think that after 4 months from now, I will overcome all this problem. I can think that.
Definitely, definitely. If you work hard on anything, definitely you get success. There is no doubt. Everything is possible. Everything possible if you work hard, if you follow some rules and regulation, if you cannot
You know,
keep
sir.
practice.
Yes. You, you know, sir, I am truly saying last year I was not able to understand the single word of the English. But after connecting from different kind of person and speaking and
Mhm.
making conversation and listening and making conversation, daily making conversation and daily listening, just made me like this.
Because of your hard work, you work
Yes,
hard
yes,
on your communication skill, on your listening, on your speaking. That is why the result is in front of you. Now
yes, yes,
you have ability, you have
yes.
capacity to speak in English language.
Yes, I never thought
Definitely.
in my life that in the future I will speak English. I never thought. I am truly saying.
But your dream has been fulfilled, and now you are speaking.
Yes, yes, sir.
One day will come when you speak very well, very fluent English. Don't
Yes,
worry.
yes. Okay, sir. So, okay, sir. Thank you for giving me this kind of opportunity. So, in the next, in the next time, definitely I will.